Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to go over how to tie a tie and what is known as a four-in-hand knot or a simple knot, which is the simplest way to tie a tie. First, I'm going to fold up my collar, and on the tie, we have the fat side of the tie and the skinny side of the tie. On the back side of the tie, there is a seam that runs through the middle of both the fat and the skinny side of the tie. I'm going to pull down on the fat side of the tie so that it is about twice as long as the skinny side of the tie. And then I'm going to pull the fat side and the skinny side of the tie in opposite directions, forming an X. And I'm going to take the fat side of the tie and wrap it around the skinny side of the tie so that the back seam side of the fat part of the tie is showing. And then I'm going to wrap it around what will be the tie knot, and now the front side of the fat part of the tie is showing, and I'm going to take that and pull it under, around, and over the neck hole, and then I'm going to take the exposed front part of the tie and I'm going to push it through the tie knot, and I'm going to pull the front part of the tie through the tie knot and continue pulling until the knot becomes tighter. I'm going to make a few adjustments to the shape of the tie knot by pulling up on the knot and pinching both sides. And then I'm going to pull and slide the skinny part of the back tie down, which will bring the tie knot up. Now I'm going to pull my collar down and I'm going to make a few adjustments to the tie and tie knot so that it is in the right shape that I want it to be. And that is all that you have to do to tie a tie as a simple knot.